lines that intersect to form angles, but also you can use rays that intersect to form angles. Okay, so angles, they're actually named in a variety of ways. Okay, so on page 143, we can name an angle by several ways. So if I have this angle right here, I can name it just by this vertex. We call this the vertex. So that's the vertex of the angle. So we can name an angle like that, or we can name an angle like this. We have to have this point. So this is point A, point B, and point C. So we can say angle BAC like that, or we can number them. They can have numerical names. So I can have angle 1 and angle 2. Okay, but we must, whenever we name this angle right here with 3 points, we must say the vertex letter in the middle. So I can say angle ACB, and you use that little symbol for angle. So this is angle angle ABC, or angle CAB. Both of these names will suffice for this. And once again, this little symbol right here means angle. Okay, now we have different types of angles. We have right angles, which are 90-degree angles. Okay, and the symbol for a right angle looks like this. Pretend that this line is perfectly straight, and if you see this little symbol right here, it looks like a little square in the corner. That tells me that that is a right angle. So when I see that little square right there, that tells me that this angle is 90 degrees. So when you see different problems, they're not always going to write that this angle is 90 degrees. Sometimes they're just going to show this symbol, and that symbol tells you that it is a 90-degree angle. Okay? The next thing that we have another type of angle. We have acute angles, and then we have obtuse angles. Okay, so acute angles are angles that are less than 90 degrees. Okay, less than 90 degrees. So an acute angle has a measure that is between 0 and 90 degrees. So acute angles look like this. And obtuse angles are greater than 90 degrees. Okay, obtuse angles might look like this. They extend beyond 90 degrees. Okay, and once again, we're going to pretend that this is a straight line for the sake of time. So we have an obtuse angle, and technically it is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees, and up here it's between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. All right, so continuing on, so we have some new words over here. We have an acute angle, very important word. We also have obtuse angles. Okay, and then we have right angles, which right angles are 90 degrees. And remember, that little square right there tells us that an angle is a right angle, and it's 90 degrees.